Welcome to Pharmacy Math. Today we'll be exploring an essential skill for pharmacy practice, converting between different units of measurement. This fundamental knowledge is crucial for ensuring accurate medication dosing and patient safety. Understanding the relationship between grams and milligrams is a key concept in pharmacy calculations. When we need to convert from grams to milligrams, we multiply by 1,000. Conversely, when converting from milligrams back to grams, we divide by 1,000. This relationship is constant and forms the basis for many pharmaceutical calculations. Let's work through our first example together. We need to convert 0.25 grams to milligrams. Since we're going from grams to milligrams, we'll multiply by 1,000. Let's do the calculation. 0.25 times 1,000 equals 250 milligrams. This is a common conversion you might encounter when working with medication dosages. Now let's try converting in the opposite direction. We have 500 milligrams that we need to express in grams. Since we're going from milligrams to grams, we'll divide by 1,000. When we calculate 500 divided by 1,000, we get 0.5 grams. Notice how moving from milligrams to grams gives us a smaller number. It's time to put your knowledge to the test. Here's a practice problem for you. Convert 1.2 grams to milligrams. Take a moment to pause the video and work through this problem on your own. Remember the key principle we learned. When converting from grams to milligrams, multiply by 1,000. Give it your best try. Ready for the answer? Let's solve this together. To convert 1.2 grams to milligrams, we multiply 1.2 by 1,000, which gives us 1,200 milligrams. If you got this answer, excellent work. If not, don't worry, these conversions become easier with practice. You've done a fantastic job learning these essential pharmacy math conversions. Remember, these basic unit conversions are fundamental to pharmacy practice and medication safety. Keep practicing these problems, and you'll become more confident with each calculation. With dedication and practice, you'll master these conversions in no time. Thank you for learning with us today.